So now I'm going to show you how to pull up a short-term rental report or an Airbnb rental report for a property. Let's look at this one on Vashon. We're just going to pull the city and the state. Come over here to Mashvisor and just put the city and the state into the search bar. Hit Start Analyzing. That will pull up both traditional, which is long-term, and Airbnb, which is short-term rentals in that area. So we'll select Airbnb and go up here to Export. And that'll export all the comps or comparative properties within Airbnb. We'll save the file always in the clients folder and under the name of the client that requested it. In this case, it's Eric. And we'll name it something like Vashon, the city, Airbnb comps. So save that in Eric's folder on OneDrive. Now we just go over to any of these comps here. Just click on the blue Vashon to get some general insights on Vashon Island. And we're going to put those in an email to Eric. So we'll open up a new email to Eric Wong. We'll attach the Vashon Airbnb comps from OneDrive to the email and say something like, "Hi Eric, I've attached the Airbnb comps for Vashon Island, a bit of information on Vashon rentals for you." And then we're going to take all of this data across the top and input it in the email. So the median purchase price is $812,500 or $314 per square foot. Cash on cash, or so these are all averages, right? So average cash on cash return. This next box is 3.34% for long-term, which is traditional, or 5.04% for short-term, which is Airbnb rentals. Average traditional is long-term. Long-term rental income is $24.18. Average short-term rental income is $4,338. There are 91 Airbnb properties near Vashon, and the Airbnb occupancy rate is 67%. And then finally, we'll just add the optimum strategy. And now that we have this all put together, we will send it off to Eric and CC me. That's about it.